Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a utility respray scripts by MXC scripts into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, you just have to click over here. On your purchase, make sure to use coupon code Zexus coupon to get discount on your purchase. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder, so I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Now open the file, then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. As you can see over here, if you want to use aux menu, then you just need to keep it on true, otherwise you can change it into false. If you have any custom target resource, then you just need to write the name over here. Same goes for the framework as well, so I'll be keeping them default for now. These are the locations for the respray table over here. If you want, you can add or remove any locations from here, so I'll be keeping them default for now. Now we also need to install the dependency of the script, which is utility lib. Just click over here, then click on code and download the script. Now extract the file into your FiveM resource folder, just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and currently I'm at the location of the respray table over here. So this is the location in the map. As you can see over here, I got a vehicle for the respray, as you can see, and this is the respray table. Now we have to interact the table with our target eye, then click on spray gun. Over here we got two options for the respray, so I'll be selecting primary over here. Over here we have to choose the material, so I'll be selecting metallic over here, then click on confirm. Now we have to choose the color for the respray, so I'll be selecting dark blue over here, then click on confirm. Now let's spray the vehicle over here. So just like this, the color of the vehicle has been changed over here, as you can see. Now interact the table with your target eye, then click on drop gun. Now let's select some custom color over here. For that, we just need to interact the table with our target eye, then click on spray gun, select the painting zone and select the material over here. Now while choosing the color, we just need to click on this custom color option, then click on confirm. So here we got the menu for the custom color. So I'll be changing the color to this one over here, or if you have the direct code for the color, then you just need to paste it over here. After selecting it, we just need to click on confirm. So here we got the spray color. Now let's spray the vehicle over here. Now let's change the interaction method for the respray table. In the configuration, we just need to change the aux lib menu from true to false. Now let's interact the table with our target eye, then click on spray gun. Here we got the custom interaction method. Let's select the primary over here. Now let's select the color variant. So I'll be selecting the matte color. And here we can pick up the color. Let's pick up the custom color. Now let's pick the color which we need to add. After that, click on confirm. So here we got the respray gun. Let's respray the vehicle. Now let's clean the vehicle by selecting the cleaning kit. To use the cleaning kit, we need to hold our left mouse button over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.